Let me show you the coolest full Android smartwatch with dedicated SIM card, also camera, and yep, we can also even do WhatsApp video calls with this watch, which is absolutely awesome. Of course, we can also watch YouTube, access internet, and yeah, do various other things on this watch. So again, this is actually complete full Android smartwatch. And probably the best part about this watch actually is the price fit. So if you also want to get it for the best price, simply check the special links in the description. I'll also include coupons that you can use on Aliexpress to bring the price down even further. And for this price, which this watch cost, I think it's absolutely insane value for money. Inside the box, first we get quite extensive manual over here, also your magnetic charger over here, your SIM ejector tool, and very decent quality straps here as well. When it comes to the build quality, this watch is absolutely amazing. First, we get really decent quality AMOLED display on this watch, and the whole body is fully metal on this watch. Also, we have a glass back as well, so again, overall it feels meg premium. And all the buttons and the scroll wheel also is fully metal on this watch. We have the SIM card slot over here, microphone, and also obviously we have speaker as well. So again, we can easily use it as a phone as well. And this is what it looks like on my wrist. I do have fairly small wrists, and for me it fits absolutely great. And yeah, you really can't ask for a better looking watch than this one. Also, the overall strap quality is really decent as well on this watch. So yeah, it looks meg premium. Also on the strap on this watch we have fully metal buckle as well. And all the keepers are also of fairly decent quality, and the strap is basically a very decent quality rubber over here. And also we have quick release as well for the strap. So yeah, when it comes to overall build quality, I think this is actually a really decent watch. Also on this watch we even get always on display as well, and then if you want to insert your SIM card in your watch, we are simply going to use this small ejector tool provided. And as you see on this side of the watch, you have this tiny slot essentially where we have to basically insert this. So we're going to position it like this and insert it inside, so it hooks inside, and then we are simply going to pull this tiny slot outside. You see, this is actually what it looks like. So we can use the tiniest nano SIM cards in this watch. Also, you see, we even have proper seals for the slot as well. So again, this watch actually has got decent waterproof rating here as well. And if you want to insert your SIM card, simply position it so in this tiny slot, so with this corner over here, and then we are simply going to carefully slide inside. And again, when you push it inside, also make sure this is complete flush. And let's check out what this watch can do. First, if I swipe down 2 times from my screen, I can get access to all my settings. So you see, we actually have a skin over this Android system, so it's actually like nice basically design over here. As you see, we can pretty much control everything over here. Also, for example, let's go in the settings over here, and you can see what kind of settings we can get over here. Let me zoom in a bit. So also obviously we can use a scroll wheel here to navigate as well. Also we get even hotspot as well, which is absolutely awesome. Okay. And also let's check out basically the hardware on this watch. So you see this runs this watch OS software. And for example, this over here has got 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of internal storage. So again, we can properly make quite a lot of videos even with this watch and store. So it actually has got decent storage inside. So if you use this button over here, you can also go back to the main screen. And if I swipe from the left side, as you can see, I can get access to, for example, my most recent things and apps I have launched. Also, for example, we can quickly check our weather or even literally make a phone call. So let's dial something. So again, this is not a valid number, but it will give you idea how it sounds like. Okay, let it dial. The number you have dialed is not correct. So yeah, how cool is that? And if I swipe up from my screen, I can get access to more of these quick things. For example, I can quickly launch my calendar over here, also do some kind of health measurements, also quickly start activities and stuff like that. And let's check out the camera on this watch. So in the middle over here, I have the camera and I can easily pull it out. As you see, once I pull it out, it even starts recording. So you see, I can easily see myself, and also obviously I can use the camera on this watch to make WhatsApp video calls. So actually primarily I got this watch to do that, so I can easily basically chat someone on the WhatsApp basically on this watch. Then also if I turn basically around the camera over here, so I can also like take pictures in front of me. For example, this is what it would look like. So yeah, actually pretty cool. So if I want to take a picture, I can simply press this and the picture gets taken essentially. Also I can switch over here to video recording mode here as well if I want to, and then I can even record videos as well. So as you see, video actually gets recorded and I can basically film something. Okay, let's end the video. As you see, this is actually so cool. And next on this watch, if I swipe from the right side, I can get access to all my apps on this watch. So first maybe let's check out the dial store. So you see, basically also I can click over here and see basically various categories of watch face. For example, over here you see we can simply download this watch face. Again, these aren't on your device, you have to actually like click and download them. So if you want to apply some, so let's try this one. So let's click download. Again, I'm actually using the mobile data that I have on the SIM card. Let's see how long it takes. So download complete. Let's click use. Okay, should be done. Yep, we have the new watch face on it. Yeah, even animated as well. Pretty cool. So then again, let's check more. So for example, we have like real decent weather app over here. So you can see basically the forecast, also like air quality, and also even for the next days. Yeah, which is absolutely awesome. Okay, let's zoom in. Then for example, we have our phone app, contacts, call history even. So again, this functions really as, yeah, like a phone essentially. Or camera, also for example our gallery over here, so we can see the pictures we have taken essentially. So I have used this watch already for some time. Basically, yeah, we can simply browse what we actually have taken on this watch. So yeah, absolutely awesome. Okay, also we can obviously store music internally inside this watch as well. So we have 64 GB of storage, at least in this variant. So also your health stuff over there as well. We can also send obviously SMS messages here as well. So yeah, for example, this is what the message would look like. So a long message essentially. So again, this literally works like a phone essentially. So that's absolutely cool. Also, obviously, we have sports tracking here as well, so different things, for example, cycling, running, stuff like that, and many more essentially. And obviously, we have GPS as well in this watch, so yeah, absolutely awesome. So, okay, also we can see our step count for the day as well, like alarms, calculator, so yep, calculator and wrist, yeah, absolutely awesome. So like a stopwatch, so yep, like normal stopwatch essentially. And we have timer as well. Face unlock, so you can actually use your camera to actually unlock your watch, which is absolutely awesome. We have the videos we have actually recorded over here. So you see, basically, you can also watch our videos they record. Yeah, so cool. And again, all of this in the watch format, absolutely ridiculous. So yeah, cleaning tool. Also, we can record obviously sound, like timer. Also, obviously, we have WhatsApp as well. And yep, you can actually use this watch to actually make WhatsApp video calls, which is absolutely amazing. So if you maybe need someone basically to reach someone at all times, so again, you literally have it on your wrist at all times, so you can easily call, take like video calls and stuff like that. Also, obviously, we have YouTube here as well. And this is what the YouTube app looks like. So you see, if you can see all the videos here and see them, also even shorts as well. So everything works great, just like on an Android phone essentially. So again, this literally is an Android phone just in a watch format. So we get access to pretty much everything you would get on your phone. I won't be able to show basically the videos for copyright reasons, so I'm not sure if I can show that. But again, it actually works, so it literally works like on the phone, but obviously the screen is very small, so yeah, some of these are kind of hard to see essentially. So yeah, absolutely amazing. And then obviously we can also install pretty much any app from the Play Store as well. So yep, this actually has got full access to the Google Play Store essentially. So again, unlike other maybe smartwatches, this actually again uses full Android. So this is actually not Wear OS. So for example, maybe on Samsung Galaxy Watch, you only get the Wear OS, where we have limited choice of the apps. But again, these are the full-size apps that you actually get on your phone, essentially. So again, you can install pretty much everything, like all the social media apps, pretty much everything really that you need is really over here. Also, you see, we can also browse internet easily as well on this watch, and we can even install something like ChatGPT or any of the AI tools, so we can simply ask it some questions. So you see, the watch is absolutely loaded to the brim. And finally, when it comes to the battery, this watch seems to have 735 mAh. So considering this is only a watch, and to stuff in such battery in this format, yeah, I think that's actually pretty decent. So it claims to have around 5 days of like standby usage essentially if you do not use it much, and also 2 days of, I guess, like normal usage. So obviously if you actually start to maybe watch some YouTube videos on this and like do some WhatsApp video calls, obviously the battery will drain quite fast on this watch, since the capacity obviously, yeah, isn't as large as on the smartphone. But for standby usage, if you do not use it much, I guess it can actually last for a fairly decent amount of time essentially. So if you're wondering if you should get this watch for this price this watch costs, I think, yeah, it's absolutely ridiculously cool watch over here. So again, we literally have like full-size SIM cards that we can insert, like full-size Android, access to all the apps, and best of all, it actually like looks really decent as well. So yeah, for this price, absolutely cool watch. And again, if you want to get the best price on this watch, simply check out those links in the description. Also check those extra coupons, so you can use those to even bring the price down even further, so on this watch. So yeah, absolutely awesome. Anyway, good luck.